Cindy A. Lewis here, and I just want to pop on and do a quick video to show you how we can take some of these pages we made with some watercolor papers and inks and just make them into a little bag for your pages in your junk journals. So we're just going to jump into that. Thanks. So basically what I have is a page from an old book, and I use some waters and some inks to make all these pretty colors on here. So I thought you're probably wondering, well, what am I going to do with that page other than just making it a page in my junk journal? So I'm just going to make it into a little bag. So basically I'm just going to fold in about a 1/2 inch, if you will, on both sides. And depending on how big your page is how big you would make your bag. All right, so I'm just going to do in 1/2 inch. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to make this side, which is upright, about a 1/2 inch shorter. Now, if you want that teared edge before you fold it or afterwards, you can do that. You can also use some decorative scissors. So let's just say we want that teared edge look. So you just hold your finger there and pull the paper away. Got your teared edge look. So we'll do it on the back as well. Not too much and not too fast, because if you do, you might lose it. Now, all we're going to do is glue these sides together. Now you can cut a little piece out, a little triangle, if you think that that's going to be in your way. But all you need is a little bit of tacky glue or a little bit of your Collal glue. So we'll just use some tacky glue. You can also use your, you can use tape runner or whatever you want. Okay. Just enough glue. You don't want it seeping into your bag. Just apply your glue and then seal your edges. And there you go. There's your little paper bag. Now, of course, you want it to dry, and it's going to take a minute for it to dry. And if you don't want this peeking out here, you can cut that away. So let me do that real quick so you can see. You can cut that away before you actually seal it or after. Either way. And you want to make sure that your bag is sealed to the edge. So once you get that initial glue put down, just come back here and run along here to make sure that your bag is sealed to the edge. And then you just make a little bag to go. It's sort of a pocket, but it's more of a bag. And then you can add whatever decorations you want or whatever. So we'll do it one more time so you can see. All right. Okay, on this one we're going to go a little bit differently. Same process. We're going to fold this side in about a 1/2 inch. And fold this side in about a 1/2 inch. Before we make the fold, we're going to go ahead and we're going to tear this edge, which is probably maybe easier for folks, but that's okay. Either way works. I just like to give you some alternatives for making your little projects. All right, so we've got that. Now remember, one side is side up. So if you want it the same size, you can, or you can just fold it wherever you like that bag to show up. So here you can see this little edge. If you don't want it to show, as I said, you can cut it before you seal it or after. Just take that little piece away. Also, if you are having trouble getting it to stay flat, which I'm not having any trouble with this paper, but you might with like a thicker cardstock, you can cut little triangles out here. So basically go on the shorter side and add your glue. Really simple, fun and easy, and a fun way to use up these papers that you have that are decorated already. And there you go. And that's your little bag, and you just decorate it how you want. Now, if you want it taller and skinnier, you can definitely do that as well. So there you go. Easy, easy junk journal paper bags for your junk journals. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.